Alright, so I got a new intake for my 335. Second modification to the 335. Burger Motorsports Intake. Alright, let's get it installed. Just loosen this back here. Pop the tabs off. Loosen the match floor sensor. And you don't want to do what I just did. Drop the clip all the way back there. Move this up here out the way. Get the filter out. Alright, so we had to swap out the sensor from the OEM onto the aftermarket one. Everything tighten up. Put the airflow sensor on. Still got to connect it, making sure everything is tight. Put that intake in, so let's see. Alright, go ahead, rip it. Watch De Niro.
You got 4%, man. Come on, we gotta hear some pulls, man. GoPro getting LO. Oh yes. All right. It's been a while since I've been in something more.